Isn't this insane? It's like a real life Photoshop. In case you're wondering what the heck I was talking about in that video, and before I show you this photo behind me, I have a makeup product you need to try that doesn't really exist anywhere in the makeup industry. This is the before of that video, and this is the after. Do you see how that acne is gone? It's gone! And I didn't use any foundation. I used a product called Demi. Demi uses color science, but it has less opacity. It's about 10% opacity. Why Demi is different than traditional makeup correctors. It's not going to create a layer on the skin. I know this video is extremely sped up, but it's taken from a live video that I did showing you exactly how to use Demi. Wait till the end where I show you how to find it. Isn't this insane? It's like a real life Photoshop. Once you get rid of all those distractions, you're like, wait, I actually don't need all this foundation. Less texture I can get with my makeup, the better. Demi is a product that will finally allow you to have texture-free coverage. If you want to see the live tutorial where I show you how I do it, be sure to follow and head to my feed and find this video.